Hello and welcome to Coloring History, and today we're going to draw Sacagawea. Sacagawea was an indigenous American woman from the Shoshone tribe, which is in the Midwestern area. She bravely helped explorers Lewis and Clark on their journey across North America to the west. And when we are done drawing this fun activity, this is what she should look like. So let's get started by making a large U shape for her face. Next, we are going to go up from here to here. And then we're going to go down from here to here. All right, let's make her ears. Let's go out like this. And let's do the opposite end. And let's make the top of her head. Next, let's make her eyes. We are going to make 2 dark circles for the eyes. And let's give her eyelashes. I'm going to put 3 on each side. Let's make her eyebrows by making a rainbow shape. And let's make a L shape for the nose. And let's give her a big happy face. All right, let's make her ponytails, which are coming from the side of her ears. We are going to make a rectangle like this on the bottom of the ear. And let's do the other side. Let's make a rectangle. And let's make 2 horizontal lines in the middle of the rectangle. And let's make a circle like this. And let's do the other side, a circle from the end of the rectangle. Let's do another circle. And let's make another rectangle on the bottom of the circle on each side. And let's make a horizontal line inside each rectangle, 2 horizontal lines inside each rectangle. So we have a pattern. And let's make a teardrop shape at the end of the rectangle on each ponytail. And so we are done with the ponytails. So let's make her neck. Let's make 2 vertical lines like this. And then make a curved line going down to the bottom of the page on both sides of the vertical line. Let's make a U shape like this and another U shape underneath and 1 more U shape. And let's make tassels. So we are going to make some lines like this, about 5 of them. And we are done drawing Sacagawea. The next thing we need to do is color. As you can see, these are the colors that I used. I hope you had fun coloring history. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this.